In this lesson, we'll learn about some major scale shapes, open shapes and movable shapes. So let's do it. So first we'll learn to play the three open shapes of major scale. So first is C major scale. So as you can see the tab diagram on your screen. So this tab diagram shows you the 6 lines, horizontal lines, which are the strings of your guitar from bottom to top, and the numbers on those lines represent the fret numbers that we have to press on that particular string. So we start from the leftmost side and we follow the numbers from left to right, and then we play according to those numbers in that sequence. We follow the sequence from left to right. So in the tab diagram of C major scale, we see that 3 written on the 5th string as we start from the left side of the tabs. So we go to the 3rd fret of the 5th string and we use our ring finger and we play this like this. Okay, so we are just pressing the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and after that there is a 0 on the 4th string. 0 means that we have to play the 4th string open. We won't be pressing anywhere using our left hand. So earlier we played 3 on the 5th string, that is 3rd fret, and then 0 on the 4th string, and then it will be 2, that is 2nd fret on the 4th string, then 3, 3rd fret on the 4th string. Then it is 0 and 2 on the 3rd string. 0 means we have to play the 3rd string open, and then 2nd fret, and then 0 and 1 on the 2nd string. 0, that is open, and then 1 means 1st fret. Let's try it one more time. So it will be 3rd fret, 5th string, 4th string open, 4th string 2nd fret, 4th string 3rd fret, 3rd string open, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string open, 2nd string 1st fret. And then we go back. One more time. On the right hand, I am using alternate picking. That is, on one note I am doing down, then on the other note I am doing up. Okay, so I am doing alternate picking. Now the next scale is D major scale. So for this, we'll start like this. It is 0 on 4th string, 2 on the same string, 4 on the same string. So it is 0, 2, 4, then again 0, 2, 4 on the 3rd string. So it is 0, 2, 4 on the 4th string. Then on the 3rd string, same 0 to 4, 0, 2, 4. On the 2nd string, it is 2 and 3. So it goes like 0, 2, 4 on the 4th string. Then on the 3rd string, 0, 2, 4. And on the 2nd string, it goes 2, 3. And then backwards. Let's try one more time. And then backwards. Then our last scale is G major scale. It will start from the 6th string 3rd fret. You can see the tab diagram on your screen. We start from 6th string 3rd fret, 5th string open, 5th string 2nd fret, 3rd fret, then 4th string open, 4th string 2nd fret, 4th string 4th fret, 3rd string open. So again, then backwards, one more time, very slowly. Till now we have played the 3 open shapes of major scale. Now let's do some movable shapes of major scale. Movable shapes means that we can move the shapes. Suppose I'm playing any major scale shape from 5th fret, then the same shape can be applied on 6th fret or 4th fret or 8th fret or 10th fret. Okay. So the first shape is based out of the root note on the 6th string. So the shape is like this. We are starting from the 5th fret of the 6th string. This is our A note. How is this A note? Because the open is E, then the first fret is F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and this becomes A. So we are starting from this note. So this is our A note and we are playing A major scale. So the shape is like this. We play 5 and 7 on the 6th string, and then 4, 5, 7 on the 5th string. So try again. 5 and 7 on the 6th string, 4, 5, 7 on the 5th string, and on the 4th string it is 4, 6, 7. So I'm starting again from the 6th string. It is 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 6, 7. Then backwards. One more time. Let's try from the starting. So this same shape, if we moved a bit downwards and we start the same thing from the 5th string, so it becomes D major scale, as this is the D note on the 5th string, 5th fret. So the shape remains the same. So it will be, so we start from the 5th string, 5th fret, and it is 5, 7 on the 5th string, and then 4, 5, 7 on the 4th string, and 4, 6, 7 on the 3rd string, and then you move backwards. Let's try again. It will be okay. So this becomes our D major scale. This is your movable shape. And then we try the G major scale, and we are starting from the 5th fret of the 4th string. The shape will go like, on the 4th string it is 5, 7, on the 3rd string it is 4, 5, 7, on the 2nd string it is 5, 7, 8, and the backward is, on the 2nd string it is 8, 7, 5, on the 3rd string it is 7, 5, 4, on the 4th string it is 7, 5. So it goes like this. So this becomes our movable shape of G major scale. And then we go for the C major scale. We are starting from the 5th fret of the 3rd string. The shape is like this. We play 5 and 7 on 3rd string, 5, 6, 8 on the 2nd string, and 5, 7, 8 on the very 1st string. And then backwards, 8, 7, 5 on the 1st string, 8, 6, 5 on the 2nd string, 7, 5 on the 3rd string. Let's try again. So those were the some shapes of major scale in open and movable positions. So you have to practice them again and again using the alternate picking. And then after practicing that, we'll meet in the next lesson. Bye. Take care.